usually the structure of the song, you work it out pretty quickly, which also can be changed, slightly, especially when you're going to produce it. If you're going to do a full production, obviously that's going to be, always changing to some degree until that production is done. But for the song itself, the songwriting process, not the production, that's a whole different kettle of fish. But for the song itself, you work out the structure, you work out the melodic line, and then the lyrics. Now the lyrics, assuming it's vocal obviously and it's not an instrumental, but the lyrics can take a while. And so when is it finished? Well, when you're satisfied that you're communicating the message you want to communicate in the way that you want to communicate it, and that your song makes sense to you, right? Now you can always get a group of people to sort of have a listen to it. You can get friends. I don't recommend it, to be honest with you. Friends and family are usually very, look, they're very supportive, right? Usually, not always. But, they'll never tell you that, hey, change this or change that. Like some will, you would know. Like I have a friend, and even my brother actually, I know I can turn to him and he'll tell me, listen, man, that doesn't work for me. That doesn't mean that I'm going to take what he says and, actually, change the whole thing. Not true. But I will take it into consideration because I trust his judgment. Okay, so you can always turn to other people as well. But at the end of the day, you'll know when it's done. You'll feel it. You'll know it. And if you have any doubt, turn to some people, but turn to people you trust. Okay, where you trust, in other words, you trust that they'll tell you the truth and you trust their judgment.